Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have our Burlington haul. Again, it's not a super big haul. The store was kind of empty whenever we went in this time. I was really surprised. They usually are packed with stuff. But we did find a few things. First off, this is a 6-piece folding razors. I picked this up. I seen a thing the other day that talked about what's it called, like microplaning or something, but it's where you like shave off the little vellus hairs on your face, but it's supposed to help cut down on acne and some other issues. This was $3.99 for a 6-pack, and they're these cute little gray and pink with polka dots on them, so I picked that up to try. They had 2 of these. It says K Beauty. These are EPL brand, I guess, EPL K Beauty, and it's these foot peels, a foot peeling mask. This was 1 pair, and we found 2 of them. These were $3.99 a piece, and then on the back it gives you like your instructions on what to do. We have used a foot peel that we found from a discount store, and it actually worked really well. It wasn't the same brand, it was different. But I really liked it a lot, but these will be really handy this summer because I boycott shoes in the summertime. I run around barefoot, and so then I end up getting like calluses and stuff. So that will help keep my feet nice and smooth. The last time I went to Burlington, my grandmother had found Retinol by Nuventin, I guess is the brand. But it's like a retinol cream. It's supposed to help with wrinkles and moisturizing your skin, and she really liked it a lot. And so this time we went back and they had another one, so she went ahead and picked up another. This was $4.99, and this is a 15 fluid ounce bottle. So we grabbed that. My dog has some kind of itchy skin thing going on, and I've tried every shampoo under the sun. I've tried all the dog shampoos. I've tried people shampoo. I've tried medicated shampoo. Nothing seems to work, so I'm at the point where I'll try anything now. I ended up finding this at the Burlington yesterday. It says 2-in-1 pet shampoo and conditioner, and it says it's soothing coconut and aloe. And it is supposed to be deep conditioning and soothe irritated skin and hypoallergenic. It's from Natural Wonders Pet Systems. So this is CBD and hemp dog shampoo. This is a 32 fluid ounce. I don't know if it's going to work, but it's worth a try at this point. This is $6.99. Says it's compared as a $10 value. The shampoo that I've been buying is like $6 anyway, so it's about the same price. But I thought I would try that since it said it's supposed to help with the irritated skin and the deep conditioning. And then if you've seen my haul from Walmart and Sam's that I just did not too long ago, from Walmart I ended up getting a brand new grill this year. My one that I had finally had fallen apart and rusted real bad. So they had at Burlington for $2.99 this little contraption, which is for making chicken on a beer can. If you've never had it, it's really, really good. It keeps the inside of the chicken really tender and moist while the outside gets that nice crispy consistency that you want from grilling. But what it is this sits down, these little circles, onto the grill grate itself. And you stick a little can of beer in here and open it, and then you put your little whole roaster chicken down on top of that beer can and close the lid on your grill, and you cook it at a little bit lower temperature for a longer amount of time to help keep it nice and moist without it drying out. But I thought that was worth picking up for only $2.99. So I grabbed that. We ended up finding some says Jordan almonds, but they are little Easter colors. Sorry, I'm getting a glare from the sun. But there's like a pastel purple and pink and blues. These were $4.99. And then I ended up buying a blender from Walmart, and we're going to start doing some smoothies. And a few of the cookbooks that I've hauled from Dollar Tree have smoothie recipes in them, and a lot of them call for chai seeds. And so I ended up finding this as 100% whole grain chai seeds. And this is a 12-ounce package. It was actually on a clearance for $2.99. And it is by Gourmet Nut, I guess is the name of the brand. So I picked those up to put into smoothies. And then I found this milled golden flaxseed and chai seed mixed together. And these do say gluten-free on them. And this was $3.99 for a 1-pound package. And then the raw foods cookbook that I picked up also from Dollar Tree had a recipe that called for spirulina powder. This stuff is really expensive. I've not seen it at the regular stores, but I did end up seeing some at Burlington yesterday. This is only a 4-ounce package, but it was $5.99. And then they did have another package that was also $5.99. It was a little bit bigger, but it wasn't just the spirulina by itself. It was like kale, spirulina, and something else that I've never heard of mixed together. So I just wanted to get the plain spirulina by itself since that's what the recipe called for. And then we found a few little things. Well, I think I have one more thing of food in here. Yeah. One more food item, and then I'll move on to the clothes. So then I found a big bottle of avocado oil. This is 25.3 ounces for $7.99. And this is Lombardi brand. It says product of Mexico, 100% pure avocado oil. So I picked that up for cooking with. And now on to the clothes. This little pajama set from, Juicy Couture. It's just a little black tank top and then these little shorts that have like bright neon writing on them. And those are for my daughter also. She found some little like biker shorts, but these are so pretty. They have little like pink daisy flowers on them. And these are by TKO. It says Technical Knockout brand. These were $7.99. And the original tag is still on them. I don't know if you can see, but that says MSRP was $48. I don't know if these pajamas... Yeah, the pajamas, the original tag on those said $36. And then this really cute little summer dress with these ruffle sleeves. Nice pastel yellow. And it has the like old-timey button-down back on it. This was $7.99 and this is by Navina Ray. This only has the Burlington tag, so I'm not sure what original price would have been on it. It says compared at $16.99. And then she found these cute little pastel tie-dye shorts for this summer. These are by Endero brand. These were $5.99. See. It doesn't say what the original price was, like their tag or anything. It says compared at $9. So that's what the front of them looks like with the little drawstring. And these are super soft. And then this came as a 2-piece set. My grandmother found this that she liked. It's just a nice little nightgown. And it's like a really soft cotton feel to it. And it has a racer back design with a little bit of lace up top. And it has a floral pattern on it. I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are. But it was the nightgown and a little robe that goes over top of it. It's got like the 3/4 length sleeves. But this was $20. And this is by Flora brand. And the original tag on it says $78. So 20 bucks wasn't too bad on that. And that is everything for our Burlington haul. Like I said, not very big, but there were a few good finds that we picked up. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Check out our other hauls. We have hauls from Sam's Club, Walmart, we do Dollar Tree. There's all kinds of stuff. We also do cooking videos and crafting videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.